Facing the beachfront, Hilton Cancun, an all-inclusive resort, offers 5-star accommodations in Puerto Morelos and features a restaurant, bar and shared lounge. Among the facilities at this property are a 24-hour front desk and room service, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Private parking can be arranged at an extra charge. The units come with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a coffee machine, a bath or shower, a hairdryer and a wardrobe. At the resort, all rooms come with a private bathroom with free toiletries. Guests at Hilton Cancun can enjoy a buffet breakfast. The accommodations offers a children's playground. Cancun is 14 miles from Hilton Cancun, an all-inclusive resort, while Playa del Carmen is 27 miles away. The nearest airport is Cancun International Airport, 6.2 miles from the resort. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.